everything you need to know about Cambro's sliding lid ice caddies. The most important thing you need to know about this caddy is it'll keep your ice frozen for days. Literally.
Wow.
How does it keep it frozen for days? Thick insulation. Cambro sliding lid ice caddies are rotomolded, which means they won't rust, dent, bubble, or crack. A unique sliding lid design slides back and under during use, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. A recessed well and drain shelf keeps ice out of water, keeping it frozen longer. Molded-in ergonomic handles make this caddy easy to maneuver even when fully loaded. Choose a slant-top sliding lid to fit under prep tables and counters for added convenience. All sliding lid ice caddies have a variety of caster options. Choose from models that have a holding capacity of 100 to 200 pounds. If you're serving ice-cold beverages, you need a sliding lid ice caddy. Whether you're serving drinks at the pool, outdoor events, receptions, or hotels, you need a sliding lid ice caddy. Cambro sliding lid ice caddies are the mobile ice holding solution.
Wow.